1968 and 1967. Okay. 40%ers. Ooh. Standing Liberty Quarter. These are supposed to be full dates. Nineteen 1925. This one here is 1925. Two 1925s. I'll have to check the red book on these and see. These are probably common dates. I don't know. I know the 1916 is pretty rare, but probably common dates. $10 face value Mercury dimes. Probably mostly from the 40s, I would imagine. $1928. $37. $43. Yeah, just common stuff. But I use that to complete a roll. But yeah, it's still stacking here little by little. The government's out of control with their spending. They just passed a $1.3 trillion spending bill for 2020 fiscal year, and they flooded the market with $500 billion for fear of a repo crisis, and this $500 billion supposedly until January 15th of next year, or January 14th, but what happens on January 15th, you know? So people are crazy if they're not buying gold and silver. I love the people that say, oh, the Bible says people threw their gold and silver into the streets because it was worthless. Well, those people obviously don't understand what the hell is going on. So they take their fear of whatever and put that aside of their financial future, I think. There's always going to be some type of bartering system, even if the US dollar does collapse. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just some peace dollars, some Kennedys, Standing Liberty Quarters, 1925. You know, everybody should be buying some coins, buying some silver. I don't care if you make $9 an hour. You should, you know, $50 a paycheck. Everybody should. So, all right. This is probably going to be a two-part video because my phone cut out or something happened. So, this is part 2. Thanks for watching. If I don't see you guys before Christmas and New Year's, have a great holiday. Happy New Year, and God bless.